Hey, what's up guys? Today review of MI6X. So let's start it. Xiaomi Mi 6X is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 66 processor, has a 310 mAh battery and features supported for quick charge 3.0. Unboxing beautiful Mi 6X. Charger is not supported. Quick charging, normal charger. USB cable Type-C is not supported 3.5mm audio jack, but give extra USB Type-C audio jack and give SIM tool. The phone back is AMOLED body. The mid-range smartphone comes with a 5.9 inches Full HD Plus display. This phone gives USB Type-C port, mic and audio speaker. A dual camera with 12 and 20 megapixel sensor at 1.75 aperture. EIS supported has 9020 1080 of 30 fps. The device can be unlocked via face unlock or through a fingerprint sensor. Our reviewed device comes with 64 of storage space and 6GB of RAM. The device of SIM tools but not supported microSD. Record sound volume and unlock button. The 20 megapixel front facing camera also affect a good picture quality. It can shoot video in Full HD 4K 30 fps. An extra feature is work perform good. Gaming other apps is smooth workout, no lag. So how like this video? Comment below in box, subscribe channel, click bell, notice new update video. So thank you, bye.